Alright, so I'm fixing to head back home from the first weekend of urban hunting, but I wanted to show you a little something about how I plan on not missing anything, even though I'm using a DSLR camera. Alright, so I'm using a Sony ZV-E10, great little camera. The negative of these types of cameras is they don't always focus, even in autofocus. Like if I'm shooting out through these woods here, it may focus on a leaf and not the deer behind it. So that's why a lot of people are not big fans of using these for deer hunting. Here's the solution that I've come up with. I've got this is a dual, I think they call it a cold shoe, and this is a hot shoe. These are hot shoes that attach here, and I'm not an expert on any of that, so ignore me if I'm talking like an idiot. But I got this on eBay for about 10 bucks, ordered an extra cold shoe, so I'm still allowed to have my mic attached. Plugs in right here. I've got my mic, my Rode mic here, and I'm able to put a Tactacam 6.0 on this side. So they're both pointing the same direction. I've got this zoomed all the way out. This is the Tactacam universal mount. Real simple, easy setup. I grab my remote over here. Something's coming in. Push one button. It's turning that camera on, as you can see. This camera is coming on, and I've got 3 on the ground over here, right up in there. So with the remote, I've got a good backup option here if my DSLR doesn't focus like it's supposed to. Pretty neat idea. I just thought I might share it with some of you guys. Somebody else might be in an issue where these are great cameras and make great video and pictures, but I don't know that I want to miss my shot on my deer because I'm using a DSLR camera. So having these a Tactacam or something mounted on top on one of these cold shoes for 12 bucks or 15 bucks or something, having the ability to mount that up here is really great. And you can check it on the screen and make sure it's looking at the same thing that your DSLR camera is looking at. And literally requires no extra work. You just push a button, it starts recording, and then I'm over here recording on the DSLR. So really cool feature. I can even pop this out and be recording and looking at it over here. And I know my Tactacam is looking at the same thing the camera is because I checked it on the 6.0 screen up here. Both are in 4K, both great cameras. So I think it's a really cool feature to be able to record everything and not have to worry about which one's in focus, because the 6.0 will have it in focus no matter what. DSLR gives you that depth by blurring some things in the background. So you've got 2 options there to get your video. And so far it's been really good, really cool, worked out great. Comes apart real simple and easy. Just turn this right here, and that 6.0 slides right off, and you can throw it in your bag.